Let's see user registration process in ZKTeco F22. Press the menu button. Go to User Management option. Click on the New User option. Go to Fingerprint option and click on it. Choose Finger through Number and click OK button. Press your finger on the scanner 3 times. Your fingerprint setup is complete. Let's check it. Now repeat the same process to set up the RFID card and click OK on the card number option. Swipe the RFID card. Your card registration is complete now. To modify your user registration, go to User Management option. Now go to All User option. Select the user ID you want to modify and press OK button. You can edit it or delete it. Now let's see the network configuration setup process. Go to the Communication option. Select the Ethernet option and press OK. You can connect Ethernet mode by assign IP, subnet mask, gateway and DNS, or if you want to assign IP with router automatically, then you have to on the DHCP option. You can also connect wireless network on this device. Enable the Wi-Fi option and select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect with. Enter the SSID password. Now you are successfully registered to your network. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.